Hello everyone, I'm really excited to introduce you our new product, PSW1000 paper cup digital printing machine. This machine is equipped with 60 pieces Epson HD print head. And this print head has a resolution of 1200 dpi, which is the top level of the industry. 1000mm print width meets the needs of mass production, and the max speed is 90 meters per minute. As we know, temperature control is very important for print head running. We have liquid cooling system to keep the temperature for the stable running of the machine. In addition, we also apply the world top class RIP software and the drive board. In this case, we can ensure that our machines run stably at high speed and the image colors are accurate and of high quality. Compared with traditional paper cup printing, the biggest feature of this machine is that it does not require plate, and ink is environmentally friendly. Whether it is large order production or small urgent orders, this machine can all complete production. Besides this machine, we will publish new correct digital printing machine and the rotary inkjet printing machine in 2024. Expect to see you in 2024. Bye bye.